Oh, the door.
Like the hinge, like it's basically. When I came here, she had a whole barrel of water in a shaving bag. Like,
really?
The door, yeah.
That's probably why her bucket's gone then, isn't it? on, girl, lift it.
Right, so we're just soaking her nets now because the hair's like really dusty.
Look at her natural eyeliner.
Oh,
it's all gone yellow.
What has?
Oh, never mind, it fixed itself. Let's see who gets there first. B.Scape. Obviously, I'm gonna get there first because it's a shortcut. Where is she? There she is.
I went so fast, I was so scared of killing it though. I thought I did.
Let me come in first. Wow.
There we go.
Wow. Yummy popcorn. Do you like popcorn, Bea?
So like popcorn. I bet it's so old as well.
Door could have broken, yeah. I think the piece just fell off, really, from wear and tear.
Yeah. Are they still in the arena?
Probably. We're gonna go jump a tractor. Oh, it's alright. Good for desensitizing, innit? Let her see the tractor, see what she thinks. I want to make it beep. I want to see if it'll scare her, can I? Oh, she doesn't even care.